Understanding the phrase, Deadwood. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of English idioms. One of the intriguing phrases we're going to uncover is, Deadwood. By the end of this video, you'll know what it means, its origin, and how to use it in everyday conversations. Deadwood, in its most literal sense, refers to dead branches or parts of trees. These are the portions of trees that no longer grow, bear fruit, or contribute to the tree's growth. As you can imagine, these parts are often seen as unproductive or unnecessary. In everyday English, deadwood is often used metaphorically. When referring to people or parts of an organization, deadwood signifies those that are unproductive, redundant, or no longer useful. This can be in a work environment, a team, or any group setting. For example, if a company has employees who aren't contributing to its growth or progress, they might be referred to as deadwood. This is a way of saying that they're not beneficial to the overall goals or health of the company. Example sentences: the new manager wants to remove the deadwood from the team to improve productivity. After auditing our processes, we found some deadwood procedures that we could eliminate. The term, deadwood, is believed to have originated from the logging industry. Loggers would often need to clear out dead branches or parts of trees, which were of no value, before they could get to the valuable, living wood. Over time, this term began to be used metaphorically in other contexts to indicate anything that was non-essential or unproductive. To use deadwood correctly in conversations, remember it's typically used in a negative context. It's important to be careful and sensitive when using it to describe people, as it can be offensive. Usage tips: best suited for informal contexts or discussions focusing on improvement or change. Use it to emphasize redundancy or unproductiveness, but avoid personal attacks. And there you have it. The phrase, deadwood, is not just about trees. It carries a deep metaphorical significance in the English language. We hope this video shed some light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is full of colorful idioms that bring vibrancy to our conversations. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.